Okay, number 1. This says B is less than negative 1.5. So what we're going to do is we're just going to draw our graph. I'm going to put 0 in the middle. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't really matter where you put 0 or where you put these numbers. I just chose to put it in the middle because it makes the most sense to me. Negative 1.5 is between negative 1 and negative 2. And since it's strictly less than, I do not include negative 1.5, so I'm going to put an open circle. And the arrow is pointing to the left, so I'm going to shade everything that's to the left. And that's how you do that. Pretty simple. All right. Number 2, R is greater than or equal to 2. So again, we're going to draw our little number line. 4, 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. One thing to remember is if I have 0 in the middle, all the numbers to the right are positive and they increase. Okay? All the numbers to the left are negative and they decrease. I should not see any positive numbers over here or any negative numbers over here. These are positives and these are negatives. Okay. So I'm going to put a circle at 2. Since it is greater than or equal to 2, I am including 2. So I put a closed circle. And I want all the numbers that are bigger than 2. So I'm going to shade everything to the right. And that's that. All right. Let's do number 3. C is greater than 2.5. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So 2.5 is in between 2 and 3. I'm going to put an open circle since it is all the numbers that are bigger than 2.5, not including it. It's pointing to the right, so I'm going to shade to the right. That's it. All right. Let's do number 4. Oh, number 4, there's an expression. I have to simplify this expression if I want to figure out what number that is. 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So really what this is saying is 0 is greater than or equal to W. Now when we're shading, we want the variable on the left. So we're going to rewrite this as W. The alligator's opening up towards the 0. So we're going to rewrite it like that. W is less than or equal to 0. That's how you would write this. Okay, so now we're going to graph it. Right? We're going to put a circle at 0. It is including 0 because that line underneath tells us. And we're going to go to the left because we want all the numbers that are less than 0. And that's it. Okay, we got one more example of graphing and then we're going to start writing. Okay, so this says M is less than or equal to negative 3. So we want to make sure we have negative 3 on there somewhere. Excuse me. Okay, negative 3. Closed circle since it's less than or equal to. Going to the left. And we're done. All right, let's do some writing now. So writing, write the inequality shown on the graph. Well, there's a circle at 4.5, so we're probably going to have 4.5. Okay, we're going to the right, so we're going to have something that is bigger than 4.5. And it's an open circle, so we know it's not going to be included. And then we can just pick a variable, let's just call it x. And that's it. That's how you write an inequality from a graph. You look and see what number you have, which direction the arrow is pointing, or which direction the shading is, and if it's an open or closed circle. And that's all you have to do. Okay, so let's do this next one. Open circle at 2.5. Okay, it's going to the left, so something is less than that. It's an open circle, so no or equal to, and then just pick a variable. Let's pick OT. Doesn't matter what it is. And that's it. All right. Number 8. 14 is where the dot is. It's a closed circle going to the left, which means it's less than or equal to, and then let's just pick OS. Okay. That's how you write an inequality from a graph.